Candles make birthday cakes extra special, but if blowing out a couple of candles doesn't quite feel special enough, this new kind of cake sets itself on fire, literally. You feel like I'm gonna introduce Harry Potter right now, but I've got another friend with me in the kitchen. Burn away cakes are blazing their way into kitchens everywhere, and Leilani Cannon has mastered the magic behind this technique. It's so great to have you.
Thank you for having me.
I was mentioning earlier, it's so fun to see how women are leveling up the creativity, and in this case, the fun. So what's the appeal? Like I need to ask, but what's the appeal of a burn away cake?
Fire.
Fire.
Fire and surprise.
Little bit of flame. So introduce us to the concept.
Okay, so a burn away cake is exactly what it sounds like. You light the top on fire, the image on top melts away and reveals a surprise underneath.
And the fire then stops?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes,
Fire,
yes, it is.
Controlled fire.
Blow really hard.
Okay, are you gonna show us?
Yes. Okay.
We've got our logo. My name is on a cake.
Yes, sorry, your name's about to get burned.
Here we go. Burn
do you want
away.
to do the honors?
Sure, I guess so. Do I?
Yes. If I can get there.
Go, girl.
There we go. Okay, so do it right in the middle and it will burn evenly.
Just touch the surface?
Mm-hmm.
Oh gosh, why does this feel high risk? Oh, we're out.
Here.
Sorry, what did I do wrong?
The candle.
The candle, we'll blame the candle always.
Yes.
Here we go, I'm gonna go careful. I'm gonna go slow. Oh my gosh, it's me.
Try just like.
Can I just light it?
Just light.
Here we go, we tried to do it the cute way.
Didn't, yeah.
Here it goes.
There we go.
Here it goes. Okay.
Isn't it so satisfying?
What? There's something underneath. No way. It's layered. Oh my gosh, is this our Studio 5 team?
Yes.
Okay, this is a moment.
And it's so fun because when you eat it, it tastes like marshmallows.
Okay, so it's still a little bit of toasty.
Yes.
A little bit of toasty on the side of your frosting.
Yes.
This is even cooler than I thought, and I thought cool, but this is fun. The reaction, is that what you get every time?
Yeah, it's usually a little shock and awe.
For sure, and kids especially, I bet, go bananas.
Yes.
Now what happens? This is where I'm nervous.
It just stops.
It just stops.
It just stops. Yes.
Frosting a little melty, but that's okay.
And you can eat it like this. It's all edible, or you can, if you don't like that much frosting, you can cut off the top, but I like the frosting.
Okay, this is fantastic. And this isn't just, I mean, you're a professional. I know this is what you do. You teach other women how to make cakes as beautiful as this. But you say anyone can pull this off?
Yes. So I do. I teach classes, but my whole thing about cakes and cookies and everything is it looks harder than it is if you just take it back to the basics.
Okay.
And so when any cakes that I do, anyone can do it. You just have to kind of understand the technique behind it.
Will you show us?
Absolutely.
Okay, what do we got?
Okay, so the cake itself is made, to burn it, is made with two different kinds of paper, okay? The first paper that we just burned is a wafer paper. Now it's made mostly out of potato starch and is really thin.
Is this a special kind of wafer
Yes,
paper?
so these are edible, well, it's just edible wafer paper.
It's not like a special burn away.
No,
wafer
it's
paper.
just, no.
Okay.
So it is flammable, okay? The other one that's underneath is an icing sheet. This one's mostly made of sugar and it's a lot thicker.
Okay.
So this one doesn't burn.
Okay.
Now you can't just print these in your printer at home.
Uh-oh, yeah.
Because
try.
you need edible ink. So most grocery stores, their bakeries, will print for you, like just whatever picture you want.
Okay.
That being said, the wafer paper, a lot of them have rules against wafer paper, so contact your local baker and see if they can print for you, or you can take this wafer paper and get an edible marker and design your own image, which is really fun.
Doodle or draw for a child's birthday party, that would be great.
Exactly, and then just cut it out and put it on top.
And how are you adhering or affixing it to the cake?
Okay,
is this your mama?
Yes.
Oh, how pretty. Look
That's
how
my
cute.
mom.
Okay, so this is the burn away, or no?
This is the image that's going to go underneath. This is what we're going to be burning.
So that would go here.
Yes, it goes right on top, and you just set it right on.
Just set it there.
Yep. So then what we need to do is we need to pipe a border around the top of the cake.
And by we, do you mean you?
Do you want
No.
to do it? Okay, I will do it, but you're welcome to if you want to. Okay, so all we're
I'm
going
no
to
fool.
do.
I'm standing by the pro.
So all we're going to do is we're just going to pipe a border onto the top of the cake. And again, I am very much of the mindset, don't overcomplicate it. Sometimes things look fancier than they really are.
But you are going for height, I'm observing.
Yes,
Yeah.
well.
Because you want it to be suspended a little bit.
Yes,
Right.
so we're putting the other one on top of it just so that it doesn't melt the color in the other icing sheet, but it's not gonna do anything to it.
Doesn't matter if it's touching.
No.
Okay, okay.
So it's a little bit raised.
Looks beautiful.
Now, do you want to put this on or do you want me
I can
to?
do that.
So just set it on top of that border a little bit,
Okay, like so.
just like that,
Okay.
okay? And then we pipe another border on top.
I've got frosting on my fingers and I'm not mad about it. Okay, and then you close it off.
Yep, you just close it off.
This is so fun. Where are you getting the wafer paper? Where are you getting, did you call it sugar paper?
Wafer paper and icing sheets. So you can buy them online. Amazon sells them. You can also get them at some specialty bakery stores, but I just get it off of Amazon.
Off of Amazon.
It's easier that way.
Listen, this was so fun. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for showing. Where can we learn more about your talent and your classes?
So you can find me on Instagram. I own the Ugly Muffin Bakery.
Fabulous.
So just find me on there, and I teach cookie classes for real icing and cake decorating, and then offer custom cakes, cookies, and macarons.
Who came up with the name The Ugly Muffin Bakery?
It's my brother's nickname from when he was a little boy.
Oh no!
We weren't very nice.
Is he okay with that?
Yeah, he's
fine. Does he get free cakes for his birthday?
Yes.
Okay. Well, he's taken care of then. We will.
Yes.
Thank you so much again for sharing your talent. It's fun to see how you're inspiring other women to do what you love and are so good at too. We're going to link you over to her social media on our website, studio5.ksl.com. You can go there for all of your resources. And also we're pointing you to our Studio 5 YouTube channel, a great place to catch up on anything here you might have missed. That's Studio 5 YouTube. Fun community growing over there. So we hope you'll be part of it.